We're currently in Santa Barbara right now. We just woke up here.
Welcome to a new video. Today I'll be showing you what we will be doing here in LA.
We're currently driving on the boardwalk.
The boardwalk here in Santa Barbara is a great place to go. Bonus, you can drive your car on it too.
Do you know where we are?
Santa Barbara.
And currently we were allowed to drive life onto the boardwalk, and we're on the boardwalk.
After, we started heading towards many of the nearby beaches.
What you eating?
Pork toast
How'd you warm it up?
in our oven, running off the batteries. 1% to warm this up, not too bad.
We stayed at Oxnard Beach State Park for a while. We needed a few days to rest up before continuing on with our trip. The sunsets here were simply breathtaking.
Life is right there.
Our van, our home is right there.
Sunset's over there.
Let's go up the dunes.
Yeah.
I am not kidding when I say the sunsets are breathtaking. They are simply the highlight of our day. They make everything so orangey beautiful and makes everything peaceful. We started heading out of this beach and onto Rincon Point to go surfing.
What's going on?
We finally found a surfing beach. Just outside of Santa Barbara. About to go to LA, but we stopped here because we've been really looking for a surfing beach. We went to Big Sur. It wasn't a really good day for surfing there. We went to a bunch of beaches. And now we're just happy that we found one, so getting our stuff.
Doing?
Going surfing.
What day is today?
Taylor Swift concert. August 8th. So we're gonna go surfing for a bit and then head towards LA to the SoFi or SoFi, whatever you call it, stadium, and get to the concert.
Sounds like you might have a terrible day.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
This was the very first time I have gone surfing in many years. I was just getting the hang of it, so I was working with the smaller waves. But I really enjoyed finally getting back into the water again since the YOLO trip. When sunset came, we decided to go for a walk together on the beach. We also realized that we could pick up small clams here, so we did. We got back to the van, ate the clams we picked along with hamburgers for dinner. Next stop, Venice Beach. This was the first time Max and I have ever been here. It was really cool to see all the landmarks in movies and videos online here in Venice Beach. Not sure if I was allowed in the roller skating area, but it was fun. Here, we visited one of the Indie Shake performances at night. It was an amazing free experience just east of the Universal Studios. A must-go-to when you can.
go to a go-karting track, right, Daddy?
While everyone was staying inside their homes during the hurricane here in LA, we started to head up to the go-karting track. There were 0 lineups here, so it was really easy to get in. We came here with some of our family here in LA to make the race more enjoyable. This was my very first time go-karting, so I was a bit nervous.
How was driving? What did you do?
Go-karting. I got last, but that's okay.
Your first time driving? Did you crash into anything? To what? Other people? You ready for real roads now?
Just want to say thank you to our family here in LA for helping us out during our stay. Also, thank you to everyone who is watching. Stay tuned for more parts of our trip.